there. Well, here we are on another nature walk talk. As you can see, it's cold and it's windy. But I'm here in this beautiful secret garden, which I'd like to share with you. I was wondering if I'd ever spoken with you from this spot before. I don't remember. And it's such a special place in every season. And I just wanted to have you experience it with me from the perspective of